Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Here we have a table. In this table, we have some information about factory workers over 60. In the year 1990, a person of men over 60 is 19.6 and person of women over 60 is 13.5. In the year 2000, the person of men is 23.6 and person of women is 10.8. The table above shows the person of men and women 60 years and older who are working in a certain factory in the given years. If the rate of increase or decrease every year is constant, which of the following represents a person of men over 60 who are working in the factory in the year 2015? Okay, now let me write the given stuff over here. So since this question is asked about only the person of men, I consider only this particular data. Okay, let me write the years first, 1990 and 2000. I am taking the person of men over 60. That is 19.6% in the year 1990. And for the year 2000, we have 23.6%. Okay, so here the time duration is 10 years from 1990 to 2000. So in this 10 years, the percentage increase is just 4%. That is from 19.6% to 23.6%. The rate of increase is 4%. And there is an information in the question, that is the rate of increase or decrease every year is constant. When the rate of increase or decrease every year is constant, the same rate of increase and decrease for 10-year periods also will be constant. That is, if I'm going to take the next 10 years, that is from 2000 to 2010. So that is the next 10 years, that is 10 years from 2000 to 2010. So whatever rate of increase we have for the previous 10 years, I will have the same rate of increase for the next 10 years as well. So because the question says the rate of increase or decrease every year is constant. When every year is a constant, so for 10-year period also it has to be constant. So 4%. So now to get the percent of men over 60 for the year 2010, what we have to do is we have to add 4 to this 23.6. When I do so, I'm getting 27.6%. But our aim is to find the person of men over 60 who are working in the factory in the 2015. So 2015 means this is a 5-year period. Let me write it over here. So for 10-year period, the rate of increase is 4%. So what is the rate of increase for a 5-year period? So since this 5 is half of this 10, so the rate of increase also will be half of this one. So half of 4 is just 2. That is, this percentage will increase by 2. Then we get 29.6%. So that is in the year 2015, the person of men over 60 who are working in the factory is 29.6%. We find this 29.6% in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.